Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how we can take care of the battery of this device. So you have to go for the settings, next find the battery and go for the, oh, sorry, it was misclick. We have to go below and find the more battery settings. And when you are here, I can recommend you to turn off the feature to stay connected while we are asleep. This feature goes to keep our internet connection connected after the screen turns off. So I know that you know that this feature just drains our battery even when we are asleep, right? So it's useful. I mean, it's not useful. And of course it will be cool if you turn on the smart charge by tapping on this feature, so it will just slow charging our device until we hit 100%. When it's not necessary, it's also very good. And the last option, we have to go back and tap on the screen resolution, and from here we have to turn off the smart resolution and set the lower one, the HD plus, and it will also it is not going to drain our battery that much when we are going to change from the full HD to HD plus. And the last one, you have to hit to optimize battery. You have to do every day and turn off these things. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.